people were eating hundreds of years ago might seem strange to us these days, but some of history's most notable figures ate what seemed normal to them back then. But as some of the most distinguished people of their time, they also had access to some of the more luxurious or exotic foods of the day. Here are the surprising favorite foods of 8 well-known historical figures. George Washington. The first president of the United States loved mushroom ketchup, which is actually more like Worcestershire sauce with mushrooms as the base. This condiment was very well known to 18th century soldiers, which explains why Washington was so very fond of it. Benito Mussolini. This dictator loved raw garlic and favored it in a salad with olive oil. Mussolini was also reported to have despised French cuisine with a passion. Charles Darwin. The founder of modern evolution had a very specific taste for exotic meats, including armadillo, which he proclaimed to be one of the best dishes he had ever had. Darwin sampled meat from the specimens he wrote about from around the world, but his obsession for unusual game was apparent even while he was still in school, as he was a member of the Glutton Club, a group which met specifically to ingest exotic animals. Gloria Swanson. The old Hollywood actress regularly consumed a macrobiotic broth made from vegetables and no salt. Swanson was an early health proponent and rarely allowed sugar, meat, or junk food into her diet. Frederick II of Prussia. This Prussian ruler reportedly loved candied violets and ate them as often as possible, though there is some evidence that in this case they may have been viewed as medicinal. While not a common ingredient today, once upon a time violets were also made into jelly and other goodies. Mark Twain. The renowned author loved oysters prepared in a variety of ways and considered them the great American food. His writings about his time in San Francisco describe multiple meals per day, all comprised of oysters. Harry Houdini. Houdini was known for his incredible stunts, but also for his ravenous appetite. Among many of his other favorite foods, the Hungarian-American loved spätzle, a small dumpling or noodle common across Germany and Hungary. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. His symphonies changed the world, but he was a simple man in many ways, favoring the traditional Austrian meal of liver dumplings served with sauerkraut.